In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable pingbacks and trackbacks in WordPress. If you're managing a WordPress site, you might already be familiar with how pingbacks and trackbacks work. For those who might not be, here's a quick overview. Pingbacks and trackbacks are methods for alerting blogs that you've linked to them in your post. While they might seem useful at first glance, they can often lead to spam, cluttering your comment section, and possibly even impacting your site's performance. Fortunately, WordPress provides a simple way to disable these notifications, keeping your site clean and efficient. Let's dive into the process. First things first, you'll need to log in to your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control panel where you manage the content and settings for your website. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand menu and locate the Settings tab. Hover over it, and a submenu should appear. From this submenu, select Discussion. Clicking on Discussion will take you to a new page with various settings related to your website's engagement features. On the Discussion Settings page, you'll see several sections with various options. The section we're interested in today is called Default Article Settings. It's usually located near the top of the page. Here you'll find a few checkboxes related to the interactions between blogs. What you want to do is locate the box labeled Allow Link Notifications from Other Blogs, Pingbacks and Trackbacks on New Posts. If this box is currently checked, it means that your site is set up to accept these notifications. To disable them, simply click on the checkbox to uncheck it. This small action will ensure that future posts on your site will no longer accept pingbacks and trackbacks from other blogs, significantly reducing the risk of unwanted spam. Once you've unchecked that box, the next step is crucial. You need to save the changes you've just made to ensure that they take effect. So, scroll down the page a little further until you see the Save Changes button. It should be positioned conveniently at the bottom of the Discussion Settings page. Click this button, and the adjustments will be applied to your WordPress site. Double-check to ensure the box remains unchecked after saving. This confirms that your settings have been successfully updated. And there you have it. You've now disabled pingbacks and trackbacks on your WordPress site, taking a proactive step towards keeping your comment section clean from spam. This should make managing your site a little easier and help maintain a smoother operation overall. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Remember to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks about WordPress management. Stay tuned for more content and have a great day.